The Advanced Steel extension for Revit 2020 is available for the Autodesk desktop app, which delivers installations and updates for the products available with your subscription. Then click on the blue button that says Update. You can then install the extension by following the different installation steps. Once the installation is complete, restart Revit 2020 and you will find the extension in the Add-ins tab. The Settings dialog offers options to control what you want to include in your workflow. Once the Revit model is ready, you can easily export it as a SMLX file. It will contain not only the steel members, but also the steel connections. In Advanced Steel 2020, you can easily select the SMLX file and import it with the Import button available in the Revit ribbon panel. As you can see, steel members and connections are successfully imported. Steel connections remain intelligent parametric steel connections. You can easily navigate through the different options offered in the Properties dialog box. You can make any modifications, such as moving some of the floor beams. The Advanced Steel extension allows you to synchronize the Revit model with all the changes made into your Advanced Steel model, still maintaining all the parametric connections in the model. The Synchronization dialog box shows the modified elements in blue. Just tick all the changes you want to import and then click the Apply All Actions button in the dialog box. The Revit model will be updated with the changes.